For homeowners in Middleburg, Florida, investing in home improvements is about more than comfort. It's about increasing property value and long-term appeal. One upgrade that delivers impressive returns, both financially and aesthetically, is professional window installation. Whether you're preparing to sell your home or simply want to improve its efficiency and style, new, expertly installed windows can make a significant difference. They not only elevate curb appeal but also enhance comfort, energy savings, and overall marketability. Here's how professional window installation can help boost your home's value and why Middleburg homeowners should consider this smart investment. Enhanced curb appeal and first impressions. The first thing potential buyers notice is your home's exterior, and windows play a major role in creating that first impression. Old, faded, or warped windows can make even a well-maintained house look dated, while new, professionally installed windows instantly refresh its appearance. In Middleburg, where neighborhoods feature a mix of traditional and modern homes, style consistency is key. A professional installer ensures that your new windows complement your home's architecture, whether it's a classic ranch, a coastal cottage, or a newer contemporary build. Popular choices like double-hung, bay, or picture windows can transform both the interior and exterior aesthetics, adding elegance, symmetry, and character that appeal to today's buyers. Improved energy efficiency and cost savings. Florida's warm and humid climate can put a strain on energy bills, especially during the long summer months. Professionally installed, energy-efficient windows help reduce heat transfer and air leaks, making it easier for your HVAC system to maintain a comfortable temperature. Features such as low E, low emissivity, glass, argon gas fills, and insulated frames work together to keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer during cooler months. This improved energy performance doesn't just make your home more comfortable, it also translates into real savings on monthly utility costs. Buyers today value sustainability and energy efficiency more than ever. Homes equipped with energy-saving upgrades, like new windows, are seen as move-in ready and eco-conscious, often commanding higher selling prices. Increased natural light and livable space. Professional window installation goes beyond function. It enhances how your home feels. With expertly placed windows, you can maximize natural light, creating brighter, more inviting spaces. Natural light improves the look of interiors, makes rooms appear larger, and boosts overall mood. It also allows potential buyers to envision the home as a lively, welcoming environment, an emotional connection that can significantly influence purchase decisions. Installers can recommend the right window styles for each room. Casement windows for kitchens to provide fresh air and unobstructed outdoor views. Bay or bow windows for living rooms, adding both natural light and architectural charm. Sliding windows for tighter spaces where airflow and sunlight still matter. Each installation is tailored to balance beauty, practicality, and performance. Reduced maintenance and long-term durability. Old windows often come with ongoing maintenance issues, warping, rot, condensation, or difficulty opening and closing. Professional installation ensures airtight seals and proper alignment, reducing the likelihood of these problems in the future. Modern materials like vinyl and fiberglass are built to withstand Florida's humidity and resist corrosion, meaning less upkeep and a longer lifespan. Homebuyers appreciate knowing they won't have to worry about replacements or repairs anytime soon. A home with newly installed, low-maintenance windows sends a clear message: this property is well cared for and built to last. Higher resale value and ROI. According to national remodeling studies, window replacement and professional installation rank among the top home improvement projects for return on investment. Homeowners can often recoup a significant portion, sometimes up to 70% or more, of their costs when selling. For Middleburg residents, the value goes beyond numbers. Energy efficient, modern windows make homes more attractive in a competitive real estate market. They signal quality, comfort, and smart design, all major selling points for prospective buyers. Even if you're not planning to sell soon, New windows provide everyday benefits, lower energy costs, better comfort, and a more enjoyable living space that increase your home's livability and overall worth. Final thoughts: professional window installation is one of the most practical and impactful upgrades you can make to your Middleburg home. It enhances your home's appearance, efficiency, and long-term durability while adding real value that buyers notice. When installed correctly by experienced professionals, new windows become more than a cosmetic update. They're a long-term investment in your home's future. Whether you're aiming to sell or simply want to enjoy a more comfortable, efficient, and beautiful space, professional window installation offers a clear return on investment that benefits both your lifestyle and your property value.